Hello, this video is about scaling and load balance your architecture. It's lab 6 of AWS. We are going to open an EC2. We're going to check the instances. Here we need to verify that there are two instances running and the checks are completed. You can see that happened already. We're going to select server 1. Going to actions. We're gonna go to image and templates, and we're going to create an image. Image name will be web server AMI. Web server AMI. Description lab AMI for web server. Everything else will stay as is. We're going to create an image. A confirmation will appear that it says that we have created it. We will use this image to launch the auto scaling group later in the lab. Second step, we will create a load balancer. Over here, we're going to go to create target groups. Target groups. We are going to create a target group. It will be an instance group. The target group name will be lab group, and the VPC will be lab VPC. I want to choose next. We have this screen now. Okay, so everything is good. We are going to create target group. On the left side, we're going to go back to load balancers. Okay, so load balancers, we're going to create load balancer. Give me a sec, sorry. Create load balancer. And we'll do an application load balancer. The name will be lab ELB. I'm going to go to network and mapping. We'll choose lab VPC. For the subnets, where are they? We will choose the first display availability zone. So it will be this one right here. Okay, so we have chosen public subnet 1, public subnet 2. Okay, in security groups section, from here we'll select web security group. Okay. And we remove the default. Okay, on the listeners, we'll leave 80. And we'll set the default action to forward to lab group. Everything else stays as is, and we are going to create load balancer. Okay, so once created, we are going to create a launch template in our scaling group. On the left side, we're going to go to launch templates, create a launch template. The name will be lab config. Under our scaling, we'll select this, provide guidance. On the Amazon image, we'll choose web server AMI. Okay, so we put the name, we select auto scaling. Right here, we're going to choose web server AMI. On the instances, we'll select T2 micro. On the keeper name, we'll choose Voki. Right. On security groups, we'll select web security group. On advanced details, we'll scroll down to detailed CloudWatch monitoring. and right here we are going to enable it. Okay, so with all those settings done, we are going to click on launch template, create. Okay, we'll do lab config. We're going to select it, and from the action menu we are going to create auto scaling group. Now here the name will be lab auto scaling group. Okay, so everything is good. We go to next. VPC will choose lab. Oh wait, lab VPC. Availability subnets will do same thing on 1 and 2, and there'll be private subnet 1 and then private subnet 2. Private and private. We'll go to next. We're going to configure this section, integrate with other services. We are going to attach it to an existing because we created it. We're going to select group lab or lab group. Okay, and then additional setting bounds. Okay, so here we're supposed to enable group metrics collection with CloudWatch. I don't see that option anywhere. Yeah, I don't see that option at all. Okay, so configuring details. On the group size, configure desired group capacity. We'll do 2. Minimum 2. And max will do 6. Under scaling policies, we will target tracking scaling policies. This will be named lab scaling policy. Metric type will be average CPU utilization. Target value of 60. I will do next. Add notifications. This is optional, so we'll let it go. Next, we'll do heart attack. Key name will do name, value, lab instance, and we'll do next. Okay, we'll see. The only one that is bugging me is the enable group metrics collections with CloudWatch. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so we're going to instances. We have two new instances now. This one is pending. Okay, now it's initializing. Okay, coffee break is over. The status says okay on this. It passed, so it means it's running. Now we're gonna check their health. We're going to target groups and select lab group. We can see that it's a healthy target. Now we're going to load balancers. I'm going to select lab ELB. Detail names. Okay, so in the details pane, copy the DNS name. copy the DNS name. Okay, without the A record. We're gonna open a new tab. Paste and go. I think I copied it wrong. Let's see. Control C. Okay, so here we're gonna go to CloudWatch. We're going to choose all alarms. Okay, so here we have insufficient data. We have to lower it to 50. So we're going back to services, EC2, our scanning groups, selected, automatic scan, selecting, live scaling policy. No, sorry. Lab scaling auto. Okay, sorry. So after checking this one, we're going to automatic scaling, and then we're going to actions. We're gonna press edit. Here we'll change. Which one was it? Lab scaling policy. Okay, so back to CloudWatch. All alarms. We can see that we have two alarms, and this one is going off because it went over. Um, okay, just okay. The alarm, which is so that one is okay. Okay, now it loaded. So here we can see that our group is live. The alarms are going on. Well, one is going off, and the other one is okay. We're going back to the website. We'll do load test. And this is supposed to send one of these alarms to high alarm. May take a minute. Okay, for the alarm to change, we have to wait 3 minutes. Still a little bit more to go. Okay, so we can see that the alarm high is now going off because of the load that has been having longer than 3 minutes. Okay. So we're going back to EC2 on the instances. Then these lab instances are running. And this will create auto created in response to the CloudWatch alarm. Okay, so we're going to select web server. And on the instance state, we are going to choose terminate. And then terminate. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.